In many parts of Madhya Pradesh, access to care has always been a challenge. Remote terrain means health centers are far from villages and hamlets, and long journeys often delay treatment. For mothers and families, pregnancy meant carrying both hope and fear. Hoping for safe delivery, yet fearing whether timely care would be available. The Antara Foundation believes every life begins at home, and care must begin there too. Working in partnership with the Government of Madhya Pradesh, our programs are aligned with the state's vision of healthy mothers and babies. Designed in close collaboration with our government systems, our approach builds scale and sustainability into the very DNA of our work. Across India's health system stand three women: the Anganwadi worker, the Asha, and the ANM. Together, they form the AAA, the first bridge between families and care. This frontline is strengthened through training, mentorship, and data, enabling them to make structured home visits, spot risks early, and guide mothers to timely help. Working through the first 1,000 days of life, we bring care closer to home, turning fragile hope into lasting change. AAA members meet regularly to review cases, share updates, and close service gaps. They are trained to use data to track referrals and ensure no mother or child is left behind.
अंतरा फाउंडेशन के आने से मतलब हम लोग को जानकारी हुई और हम सीखे हैं। तो अब हम जाते हैं, बच्चे के तापमान भी अच्छे से पहचान जाते हैं, बच्चे में खतरे के लक्षण भी पहचान जाते हैं कि मतलब बच्चे को बुखार है या सर्दी है, पीलिया हो जाता है बच्चों को। तो पहले पीलिया नहीं पहचान पाते थे हम लोग, तो हमें अंतरा फाउंडेशन से मतलब ये सब सिखाया गया है और पहचानते थे, पहले पहचानते थे पर इतना नहीं जितना सपोर्ट अब मिला है अंतरा फाउंडेशन का।
Behind the Antara Foundation stands its founder, Ashok Alexander. His vision was shaped by one hard truth. In a country with strong health programs, mothers and newborns were still losing their lives. His question was bold yet simple. What if the system could be strengthened from within?
How do you know where the most risky cases are? How do you find them? So we developed a modality which we call the CAAA process. The three frontline workers of government coupled with a C, a community member. So they would sit together and make a map of the village and use their bindis, it's very interesting, to mark out houses and locations where you had a woman with a risky childbirth ahead of her, a newborn who's struggling, and so on and so forth. So that you could identify the highest risk cases. But it didn't stop here, because when these cases, or if you fill the bindis that mark these cases out, were taken there, the community themselves started taking a promise, an oath if you will, saying that no baby will die in our village. No baby will be born in a low birth weight. No woman would have a difficult pregnancy, because we will make sure that she's well aware, that she comes for her checkups and stays with the process all through, because they got the support of their sisters, if you will, through the process.
One red mark, a bindi, tells a powerful story. The Antara Foundation designed the Adopt a Bindi model, a simple idea with a powerful impact. On a village health chart, a red bindi is placed next to every woman identified as high risk. When Anganwadi Didis, Ashas, and ANMs sit together, these bindis guide their discussions, align their data, and ensure that no mother is missed. Each red mark is not just a dot, it is a life being closely watched and protected. Today, active community members join hands with the AAA, attending meetings and volunteering to support high-risk cases, especially when social or cultural barriers stand in the way of care. Critical cases are escalated to local authorities when needed. The goal is simple: no mother or child should fall through the cracks. What began in 5 blocks is now expanding to more than 8,500 villages, turning a single red mark into a movement for safer motherhood.
अब हम साथ में बैठ रहे हैं, हम डाटा मिलान कर रहे हैं, बिंदियाँ अपडेट कर रहे हैं, उससे हमें ना पहचानने में इजी हो रहा है कि हमारा जो हितग्राही है हाई रिस्क का है, वो कितनी दूर है हमसे, कहीं बाहर है, क्या है, उसके पहुंच में हम पहुंच पा रहे हैं। साथ में हम लोगों का डेटा भी एकत्रीकरण हो रहा है अच्छे से। सारी चीज़ें, कोई भी आता है हमारा नक्शा देख के वो समझ जाता है कि यहाँ क्या क्या है, कैसा है, कहाँ हाई रिस्क है, कहाँ कितना पास है, मतलब उस हाई रिस्क को उसके अनुसार हम अपनी सेवाएं देते हैं। इससे हमारे लाभार्थी पिछड़ते नहीं हैं।
Frontline workers rely on their supervisors for guidance and support. That's why the Antara Foundation strengthens this cadre, training over 19,000 workers, including 1,900 supervisors and community health officers. Building their skills and confidence is central to improving maternal and child health and translating learning into real-world impact for mothers and children. While strengthening systems is essential, real change also requires that communities themselves are empowered. At the Antara Foundation, we ensure that mothers, children, and families are not just recipients of care, but active partners in shaping it. Participatory learning creates spaces for collective problem solving. Through picture cards, role play, and simple games, complex health information is simplified, encouraging families to adopt safer practices.
ये जो अंतरा फाउंडेशन से जो भैया लोग आते हैं, दीदी लोग आती हैं, उनसे हमारे गांव में प्रभाव पड़ रहा है और बदलाव भी आ रहा है। जैसे गर्भवती महिलाएं, वो अपने स्वास्थ्य पे ध्यान नहीं देती थी, लेकिन दीदी लोग के बताने पे वो लोग अपने ध्यान देती हैं खुद पर, और जो टीकाकरण नहीं हो पाता था उस पर भी बताती हैं, तो समय से टीकाकरण भी कराती हैं।
In rural areas, every delay can put a life at risk. Through Anugami, high-risk pregnancies are tracked closely and referred on time, turning fear into preparedness and doubt into safety. This bridges critical gaps in information and coordination during the most vulnerable phase, from late pregnancy to the first week after birth. The Antara Foundation is building a technology-enabled workflow with the government that will connect frontline workers, ambulance services, and health facilities to ensure seamless real-time monitoring and action. Every mother deserves safe delivery. While frontline workers form the first line of care, the quality of facility-based services determines whether timely referrals translate into better outcomes. Aradhya Jeevan was designed to strengthen this critical link, equipping nurses with the skills, confidence, and system support to manage maternal and newborn complications. Through this program, Antara Foundation strengthens facilities with trained staff, nurse mentors, and national standards. Today, families feel safer when a mother enters the labor room.
यहाँ पे हम जो स्टाफ नर्सेज होती हैं उनको हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं, बेसिकली उनके स्किल और उनको हैंड होल्ड करते हैं कि उनको मैटरनल कॉम्प्लिकेशन प्लस न्यूबॉर्न कॉम्प्लिकेशन किस तरीके से मैनेज करना है, एंड उनको सर्टेन मेथोडोलॉजी के थ्रू उनको हम ट्रेनिंग देते हैं।
The work of the Antara Foundation is premised on the fact that if risk in a mother or a baby is identified early, that risk can be mitigated and her life can be saved. That is what we work towards. All of our programs are designed towards supporting the health system and the communities to identify and manage risk when the time is right. In the future, we look at building women leaders within these communities who can actually manage not just their own health, but the health of their families with the awareness, with the agency, with the courage to actually make decisions for themselves and their loved ones.
Behind the scale is a team that lives its mission every day. 140 people strong, young, and field first, with an average age of 30. Coming from 23 states across India, their diversity is their strength, and their commitment powers the Antara Foundation's work in the toughest geographies. One day, Antara Foundation may step back, but what will remain is a stronger health system, communities leading their own change, and a generation of children who will not only survive, but truly thrive.